Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about the best Android phone in 2022. So, the best Android phone that was released this year and is the best Android phone currently in 2022 is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. First of all, it has the 5G, so the latest bandwidth, you get it. And then finally, it's got a 6.8-inch 1440p display. The camera goes all the way up to 4K, and it's got a 108 megapixel camera. So, and you've got that really like 100 times zoom, right? Or is it 50 times? I forgot. And you can go with the 12 GB RAM. The only thing you need to look out for is make sure it's not the Exynos 2200, because the Exynos chip is really bad. You want to go for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. That's the chip you want. And yeah, the phone, it has a huge screen, a huge battery. It's got 120 hertz screen. You can go for the 1TB version if you want storage. Honestly, the 1TB version and the 512 gigs, these two, as well as the 256, these three are the ones that come with the 12 GB RAM. If you want to go for the 128, you won't be able to receive that 12 GB RAM. So that's that. And yeah, you can do 8K video recording at 24 frames, or you could do 4K at 60 FPS. The selfie camera is amazing. You've got tons of features. In short, if you don't mind spending money, get the 1TB Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like that in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.